So here we are in the historic Jeddah of, we call it locals, we call it Al-Balad.
So guys, this is a wonderful experience. Hello guys, I found a very gentle lady. He can explain about this old Jeddah. Her name is
Maram.
Yes. So he's going to explain about this old Jeddah. So Maram, please explain. It's about all this area.
So here we are in the historic Jeddah of, we call it locals, we call it Al-Balad. Balad means the country.
Okay.
So this part has locals because Balad.
Yeah.
The Balad became part of UNESCO in 2014.
Oh yes, cool. That's
Yes,
so
2014.
yeah. This is,
Yes.
okay.
So, and the reason, the reason why it's in the UNESCO is because the buildings. As you
Yeah.
can see, the buildings, they are all made out of corals.
Okay.
And it's very unique than other cities in Saudi.
Yes. We can see this is so unique and so traditional actually.
Yes.
So what more in this area? Maybe if you go to upstairs, what more if you can explain?
Okay, more about this area is you will see the two main gates in Al-Balad.
Yeah.
The main gate where the seaport gate and the Mecca gate.
Yes, Bob Mecca.
Bab Mecca.
Okay, okay.
Bab means gate. Yes.
Okay.
So this is a cafe with the old style. Let's move it. Let's check it out. You can see this building is a really inherited assets in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so this is a cafe. Antique things over here. You can see so much antique things right here. This is a so nice cafe, and it held a lot of inherited things. Yeah. This is upstairs of the cafe. At night, people will be so amazed because they're sitting. This is over there. A lot of things to offer for eating and everything. If somebody come over here, must visit this place and see how it looks nice. Yeah.
So guys, this is a wonderful experience to be exploring the old Jeddah and its old traditions over here. And I recommend it when you come to Jeddah, you must visit the old Jeddah and see its inherited culture. So now we're gonna move forward and explore the other things as well.
So guys, we are here in Balad streets. This is a typical old Jeddah. So now we're gonna explore the street and we will show how it is like. So guys, you can see this is a rawashin, old Jeddah rawashin. You can see that my camera is coming in. Yeah. So this is old rawashin. This is so famous, and now it's being upgraded in modern technology. So this is where old Jeddah is located. If I can show you this street is there. Yeah, actually, yeah. So guys, now we are going to street. This is a very narrow, and this is also upgrading because it's so old. So for safety measures, there is no wall. Yes. you can see. Yeah, it's that building is so in a poor condition, so they have altered their way. So now we again came up the streets. Yes, this is typically the old Jeddah. So now the infrastructure is being, amended. Okay, and there's the e-bike as well for moving the roads. So here is the new building which is being renovated. Russian cafe. You can see the Russian cafe right here. Russian cafe. So you can see the art over here. It's so nice. So original.